Hello, my name is Emmerson Naranjo, chef de party in Kings Cross, UAL, Centro San Martins. I'm preparing today traditional Venezuelan food. It's cachapas. I'm making the mix for the sweet corn pancake, sweet corn, sugar, flour, butter, milk, and eggs. Keep blending it throughout for the best texture. Adding spring onion to the cachapas gives it extra flavor. I'll prep yams, red onion, limes, add lime juice for flavor before sweating my onions and mixing in black beans, adding spices to bring out flavor. Starting on salsa, we have fresh tomatoes, coriander, mixed with some of the red onion. Moving on to chicken, this was slow cooked earlier to turn it into tender pulled chicken, peas, mint, salt, pepper, paprika, and lemon juice. Blend it together for a smooth puree. It's time to fry cachapas mix we made earlier. While they're in the pan, I'll prepare and fry the plantain. We're looking for this beautiful golden color. Now everything's ready. It's time to bring everything to the plate. Healthy, delicious, and vibrant. I love making this traditional Venezuelan dish.